analyzing, applying, and mastering call flow steps for enhanced call center efficiency and customer engagement. So this is the member of our group. So good day everyone. Today we will discuss about the importance of balancing speed and quality in call centers. So how can we provide a fast service without compromising the customer satisfaction? These are the objectives of our group. So, speed matters in a call center industry, but rushing might cause a huge problem. For example of this one is an agent giving a customer a discount or coupon without reading the policy. So, it might cause loss to the company because some company doesn't give a discount. So, how they will compensate to the customer because of this. So we need to balance the quality and speed solution. So fast service can reduce call queues and helps the agent to handle more calls. But if you rush the technical support calls, it might lead to a unresolved issue to the customer that can cause frustration to them. So, high quality service can assure the customer that they'll get the accurate solution to their problems. Like for example of this one is when an internet provider or the customer service of an internet provider gives an accurate solution to Wi-Fi problem of a customer, they will it will reduce the need to repeat calls.
Challenges in balancing speed and quality. So one of the challenges is the high pressure environment, which sometimes forces agents to rush calls. This can result in mistakes, customer dissatisfaction, or repeated follow-ups, which take up more time in the long run. So strategies for balancing speed and quality. So here are the strategies to maintain balanced service. So first is comprehensive training for agents. Second is using structured but flexible call scripts. Third is leveraging technology like CRM and AI tools. And lastly, optimizing call routing to ensure customers reach the right agents faster.
So good day, I'm Erwin and today I'm going to discuss the best practices for agent. So first is listen actively to understand customer concern. Why you must need to listen actively so that you will know when you are if you are the agent, you must actively listen to your what your customer concern is so that you can give a clear and right solution to their problem because if you didn't listen carefully to what they concern is, it can cause some misunderstanding to your conversation. Then if you ask them to repeat what they say is, it can leads to an irritate customer because you didn't listen to what their concern is, and it can cause a negative feedback to you. Then next is be concise but ensure complete resolution. So you must provide a clear and right solution to what is their main problem is. So you must practice those that giving a right solution to your client so that it can satisfy them. Then next is maintain a polite and professional tone. So you must practice to um, um, bigger your patience because in call center a lot it didn't in call center you will get a call that um, cursing you, the client cursing you, saying a bad word. So even though you getting those bad tone coming from your client, you must need to be a professional, because if you irritate also of what they saying, there's a tendency that you gonna you gonna you gonna say what you want to say to your client, and maybe you curse them too. That can lead to we say in resignation, terminate of your work. So you must need to be a professional. You must need to be a professional in your tone, in your talking, even though your client is very irritated. So professionalism is must. You must need to practice it. Then next is use positive scripting to guide conversation efficiency. So as it said, you need to provide also a script, so that you have a guideline to what you should need to say to your client, and to have um, guide, so that you will not be lost what will you gonna say to your client if they asking this question and if they asking these things. So providing a script and guide is one of the best practices you must do if you are a agent in a call center. The next topic is role of technology in enhancing speed and quality. So we all know that nowadays is AI is must, and technology is been evolved. So one of the role of technology is first is AI driven chatbots for handling simple queries. So we have this nowadays. Also the call center have this, that they have a AI that can answer a frequently question coming up to their client. Next is speech analytics to assess customer sentiment. So this is just like a chatbot that helping the client when they have a redundant question. So chatbots helping um, handling this task, so that the human workloads will be lessened. Next is automated workflows for reducing manual tasks. So one of the best help of AI nowadays is it reduce, as I said, it reduce your works, that those manual tasks can be automated by the help of AI. So we are just only human. We tend to get tired, but um, chatbots can give a answer to a client 24/7. So that's one of the big help, and one of the big role of AI nowadays in call centers, and not just call centers but in other businesses and services. In conclusion, so balancing the speed and the quality um, of the feedback you giving to your client in a call center is can lead you to a can lead you to satisfy your customers, because when you give a fast and quality solution to your client, to their problem, it can satisfy them, then it can lead them to become your loyal customer. So having a speed and quality in a call center agent is must, because um, um, as we said, um, time is gold. So some other people their time is so privileged, because maybe they getting their money by time. So you as a call center agent, you must need to be high, to be have a speed and quality service, so that you can satisfy your client's need. So that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.